Well, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Good morning to you, whoever's honking. We've been to the TV guy this morning, and we had one bust, I guess, on the way to him because it doesn't work anymore. I don't see a year on this, and this one doesn't look very good. So we had that one there that did work, but does not anymore. So we sold him 6 TVs for $57. So we're starting off today with some change in the pocket. So let's run about and see if we can find any junks today. It is Friday. This does not look great, but we're gonna take a gander anyways. Oh, I done draw my glove. Looks very boxy. It also looks like a possible purge pile. Ah, it's garbage. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Ow! Nada. I guess this is the way we're doing it. Today's Friday, man. The dismal day. Look at this trailer. I can't even see anything. Hey, Chihuahua. I don't know, this looks like a top to a barrel, maybe? Ooh, is this in a car part? Oh, are you in here? Come on. What is this gonna be, just the old brake pads, maybe? No, it's just the cardboard. Gosh. Where's the rotor at? That's a mirror. Where the rotor's at? Where the rotor's at? Come on. Gosh, dang it. Super damper. That's not even a rotor, is it? Alright, let's go. So I ran into Phil. He's struggling too, man. He ain't got nothing either. I don't know what's going on out here. Supposedly Kevin did great out here last week, but it's not out here this week. We're gonna take this little bits of metal about. And the TV. Is this gonna be new enough? Maybe, maybe, maybe. She's looking nice. Samsung. Oh, she's big enough. Come on, where's your date? I don't know, where's the plug? I'm gonna guess she's good enough. Oh! I'm gonna put her in the back of the car so she don't get beat up, and we'll test her at the yard. I don't feel like doing it right now. We're gonna get out of here and try a new neighborhood. Since Phil's in here, and neither of us are finding anything anyways, right? Can't hurt to try a different hunting ground. Man, that's a big TV. Let's go. Sorry, Phil. I found the exit before you did. You got nothing in you. We'll take all these poles. Let's do this. You can actually have metal content too. We'll just take you over and dump you in. That's one way to do it, right? Boom! Or we could have carried it one pull by one pull. Let's go! I can't tell if this is plastic or aluminum. Ah, she's plastic. Die! Check one off the list. Got our fan today. Yes! Why are we excited about that? Because we're fans of fans, that's why! Oh my gosh! Oh, very glassy. Hashtag fan of a fan. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. We're gonna walk up to this one. Steel sink with a faucet and some copper. Starting to warm up. I might be able to take the jacket off. Alright, let's get out of here. And boom, there she is. Plastic tree trash. So you'll see there's a couple of metal 2x4s in here. I saw a dumpster and I swung by and swooped in quickly. There's a couple of tidbits of BX shield and those 3 or 4 metal 2x4s. It's not much, but it's the way the day's been. But I did get a call for a refrigerator pickup, so I'm gonna go get that. So we'll do better than we did last Friday, but still pretty dismal seeing this is just about our last neighborhood. All right, guys, since I didn't give you an unload yesterday, I'm gonna give you an unload today, but another non-crazy day. But we did get that call for the refrigerator pickup, so that will help us beat last Friday's. Not saying much, seeing we did 240 last Friday, but we got this Yahoo over here blocking up the whole yard, and then when I parked here, he's like, you know, you got the whole yard you can use. I'm like, yeah, but I want to unload here. So, get out of my way. People, mind your own business. Oh, that's all crap. That's going. Hey, it's snowing. See that snow going by? Oh, it's just styrofoam. Remember this horse that I got like, I don't know, 6 months ago? Well, he's going. He's not. No one wants to buy him. This here is coax, so don't freak out, guys. Yeah, I guess I'm a little punchy today since we didn't find much, but I don't like people telling me what I'm supposed to be doing. That's why I do this. So I don't gotta have people tell me what I can and can't do. Oosh! Now on top of it, remember that, what's it called, a maul? Basically, a fancy axe, sledgehammer. I think I left it here the other day. Where does water come from? Oh, I forgot to look up the refrigerator parts. All right, guys, that's it. Zero Jeffs. Let's do some NFJ, and then it's kick off the weekend. Oh, by the way, make sure to check out the short joke of the day, because I'm gonna stomp on Jeff again. My joke rocks today. Nope. What?
I got gifts for you from the Department of Defense.
Department of Defense? What are these?
The guys for research Parkway for the Navy.
Yeah?
They can't accept money for the scrap.
Really?
So they just drop it off. Look at all this. Look at all these.
Sheesh. Well, why don't they call me then and I'll come pick it up? Why don't they call me and I'll come pick it up?
I don't know. You're probably not allowed because you don't have a security clearance. I
could get security clearance.
Yep.
I'm trustworthy. I was a scout. On my honor.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of batteries.
So that weighs about 40 pounds. 575.
What?
575 pounds.
Man, it's a lot of batteries.
My GoPro will not turn on.
Really?
It won't turn on.
You and Mike have just had crap luck, man. You got to go to the 5. Got to go to the old. Got to go to the old school 5 like me. Go to the old school 5 like me. Oh, okay.
That pisses me off so much because I was excited about finally being able to do something today.
You ready?
Yeah.
Woohoo! You ready on Motos?
Yeah.
Oh! Wow. What's the number? Oh, it fell off. 2. I didn't know that if that would weigh over here or not. Good? Okay. Whatever makes you happy, Jeffy.
These are 90, right?
What?
These are right 90. There's an electric motor.
Ow! That was my finger!
Electric motor right there.
You distract me and make me hurt myself. That's nice. No, I'm gonna break this stuff apart first, Jeff.
Well, this stuff you're not breaking apart.
No, I'm not breaking that apart. Ow! These hard drives I will, though.
Yeah.
What are these gonna be, power supplies?
I don't know what. But you can't get paid, he said, for it.
What is a gateway?
Computer?
I know, I'll keep it. I'll open those up and figure out what they are. And we'll send them in accordingly.
Good gold there.
Yeah, who knows? I'll take a gander at them. That's empty. Hang on, Jeff. A couple of these are empty. These are all empty. You want it up here or you want it down? Yeah. Come on. Someone needs to weld this gate.
Weld that?
What's that?
You gonna clean that?
Clean what?
The motor.
The motor, yeah. Yeah. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, this one's floating too. How much? I'm going with 103.
You probably weighed it. Well, if you weighed it, you also gotta think that was probably
I didn't weigh it. I didn't weigh it. I didn't weigh it.
I didn't move it.
110?
Like those chunky covers.
Yeah, I do. I'm gonna break down a bunch of motors this weekend, I think, if I get long as I have time. Games don't start for another week.
Just be getting these are big coils. Remember I showed you a week or two you got those big coils? That's what these are.
Okay.
Probably 5 of them.
Okay.
And then there's an armature inside that's got, it looks like a starter.
You all right?
Like inside of the starter, but big chunks.
Okay.
I don't know if you'll be interested.
I'll take a look at it once you got it looking pretty. I took that one apart last night and it was like the same size as the one you gave me, but like twice the weight, but it was like all steel weight. I'm gonna guess that I'm gonna get the same amount. I only got it apart, cut one end off. I didn't start pulling it through because I knew that was gonna be a task and a half. So
Non-ferrous Friday.
I was gonna do non-ferrous Friday, but I didn't clean up enough. The wire's non-ferrousy enough, I guess. 149, I'll take it. It's all wire. And some free stuff. That's awesome. Thank you, sir. Oh, we gotta do the joke of the day. Hang on. Hang on. All right, guys, we're weighed and paid, and the battery is close to dead, so I don't want to have to change it. So we're gonna make the wrap up super fast today. Was dismal, man. Was light. Was not as bad as last Friday, but still was not great. So let's jump right into the street. 560 pounds, 6 cents a pound for $33.60. That was it. That was all the road had to offer. I did go home and pick up a bunch of it. Wire made the day. Oh, and I don't know if you saw or not, Jeffy had 2 totes of stuff turned in by, I think he said the Department of Defense or something like that. They're not allowed to take money for their scrap, so Jeff gave it to me for free. He said, here, they just left it, so I'm giving it to you. So we got a little extra irony light off of that box, and then there's some stuff that I'm gonna break apart and see if there's any other goodies in there before I turn the rest of it in. So anywho's, insulated computer wire, which is Christmas tree lights, 2 pounds, 26 cents for 52 cents. Electric motors, we just had 1 ceiling fan. What? How did that ceiling fan, what? The ceiling fan weighed 2 pounds? Come on, Jeff. I'm not going to worry about it since he gave me the iron and the light. 2 pounds. It should have been probably at least 10 pounds, I would think, or 7 pounds or something. 15 cents a pound for 30 cents. Brass unclean was that one faucet I don't feel like dealing with. 2 pounds, 70 cents a pound for $1.40. Irony light, 10 pounds for 25 cents a pound for $2.50. Clean aluminum was the ceiling fan paddles and I want to say, oh, and there was the ball end of the ceiling fan was also aluminum. 2 pounds, 36 pounds, 72 cents. And then the winner of the day, insulated copper wire, 110 pounds at $1 a pound, thanks to Jeff talking to the boss. $110. Grand total today of $149.04. So we crushed it because of the wire, but the wire we've been collecting, that's basically what we've been collecting for the month. I was going to turn it in here because they're at $1 a pound, but Jeff talked to the boss and he got both the dirty aluminum and the wire up, and I said I'll bring in my wire, so that's what I did. I still got a little bit more at the house, but that was the stuff that was easy to get into my one barrel. I'm going to kind of sort through a bunch of stuff and keep cleaning things up at the house. We're making some serious progress. So that's one good thing about the streets being slow, is I've given me a chance to get home and get some things situated. So we're going to continue doing that over the weekend, because like I told Jeff, games don't start, I don't think, for another week. I think they might have practices this weekend though in lieu of games, but we'll have to see what the schedule is. But we're going to try to make some damage again and get things straightened up and get some motors cleaned up and have a little hoard set aside in case we have a bad day next week. But we're going to crush it next week. We have to. We had a couple of bad days this week, and we don't want to continue doing that. So hope you enjoyed the content. It's a little light today. It was even lighter today, even though we did a bigger number because of the refrigerator. I think it was worse than yesterday. Gosh, what are we going to do 2 days in a row? So we'll have to hope for better days next week. If you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber. Have a great weekend. Enjoy yourself and have a great time off. Actually, not everybody's off, but most people will be off. So enjoy your time. It's Nacho Stuff, but that doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until Monday, be safe, be happy, enjoy your weekend, and I'll catch y'all then. There's the battery. It's dead. Beep. Burp.